All right, there you have big Rai Bareli and Amethi announcement that's likely to come in today. Congress Neta Jairam Ramesh confirms. Expect Amethi pick tonight. Amethi and Rai Bareli names to be out by this evening. Jairam Ramesh says the party wants Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi to contest. Final decision, though, to be taken by Rahul and Priyanka. Want Rahul to fight from Amethi. Want Priyanka to contest from Rai Bareli. They want the two to be, both the Gandhis to be fielded from Amethi and Rai Bareli, but it's the decision that's left to Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi themselves. Jairam Ramesh has spoken, confirming that a decision will be out today. Let's listen in.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आज कोई घोषणा सीईसी ने पूरा अधिकार कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को दे दिया है। कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष सोच रहे हैं, बातचीत हो रही है, विचार विमर्श हो रहा है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आज शाम तक कोई ना कोई घोषणा निकल आएगा। बिल्कुल औपचारिक तौर से ऐसे तो कई अफवाहें हैं, पर औपचारिक तौर से राय बरेली और अमेठी को लेकर कौन हमारे उम्मीदवार है, कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट की ओर से एक घोषणा जरूर आएगा।
All right, Maushami, who's still with us. Maushami, it's really interesting when Congress senior leaders say that whether to contest or not is all up to the Gandhis. Wish that the other Congress leaders also had the same liberty and luxury to pick and choose as it will. The Gandhis surely have that first-hand leverage. Here you have Jairam Ramesh saying that it's for the Gandhis to decide ultimately, but a decision is due to come today for sure.
Nabila, if you hear what the Congress leaders are saying, from the likes of Jairam Ramesh to Ashok Gehlot to all the leaders who are commenting from Raj Babbar, everybody has a different version. You want to say that Mallikarjun Kharge has the last word, but you say that also. But in reality, the picture is abhi baki, despite the fact that the ball is in the court of Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president. So, then you have Rahul Gandhi saying that the CEC will decide. If the CEC had decided that Priyanka Gandhi should contest Rai Bareli and Rahul Gandhi should contest Amethi, then is it a matter of choice that they shouldn't contest? Apparently a meeting is going to happen between Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, and this entire suspense, there could be a dark horse now. I hear only one of the Gandhis could contest Rai Bareli and Amethi, and one of the local leaders could actually be pitched on the other seat. It's very interesting, you know, because the Congress is reading this entire suspense thriller in a completely different way. But what's going out on the ground, you have Congress leaders at the district level saying that we are not going to prepare anything for the nominations. Before that, you need to reveal the name. Who is it? And if it is, whether it is Rahul Gandhi or not. And because we want to tell him that he needs to contest from here, we've held the fort for him in Amethi for long, when Smriti Irani has been the MP here. And we have to answer to the people. So we want a Gandhi to contest from here. That's the voice one of the leaders was telling me was put forth to the local leaders when the meeting for a nomination grand show during the nomination was actually being deliberated. So complete confusion galore at the Congress quarters, and the Congress wants to say that all is really well and final decision, and they keep delaying this deadline, this timeline. That means that all is really not well. There is a leader amongst the two, or there is differences between what the Congress president wants and what the Gandhis want.
And that's quite evident. Maushami, thanks very much for joining us.